Introduction to Graphic Designing. Introduction to Graphic Designing is an entry-level course or primer that familiarizes individuals with the fundamental principles, concepts, and tools used in the field of graphic design. It typically covers topics such as typography, layout design, color theory, image editing, and basic design software usage. The course may delve into the historical context of graphic design, exploring influential movements and designers. It often includes practical exercises and projects to help students develop their design skills and creative thinking abilities. Overall, an Introduction to Graphic Designing course provides a foundational understanding of the principles and practices essential for effective visual communication in various mediums, including print, digital, and multimedia platforms. For more information, visit our website www.intelligencegateway.com.